Hey guys, I just want to take a quick minute to share with you how you can use a virtual field trip using an iPad or a tablet. There are a couple things your students will need. They will need to access Google Slides through the app, and they will also need to download the Google Earth app. When they complete this virtual field trip, they will need to be in edit mode of Google Slides, and this is the same if you're going to be using a desktop as well. So as you go through Google Slides, you will notice that this is set up with clickable links, and I'll share with you how you can use that in just a minute. All of the response questions are set up to be completed within the slides. That's why you will want to be in edit mode. And as well, you can go ahead and change the questions to meet your curriculum or your student needs. If you have one of my geography virtual field trips, often there are some mapping skills. These are drag and drop, so you'll just click here and then you can drag and drop to label. As we go through to Google Earth, I'll share with you, there are some 360-degree views. So if you click the button, it'll give you a couple options here. You'll say open link, and you want to make sure that your students open this. It's a direct link. Open it in Chrome, and then it will actually redirect. It will say, would you like to open in an app? And I have mine saved my place, so it'll go from wherever I was last, so I was here, and then it'll travel to my next location. So in this case, we will be going to the entrance, one of the Egyptian temples. And so you can pan around and actually go inside the temple, but it's pretty amazing. So these little arrows, so I'm just using my finger here to move around, but these little arrows will allow your students to actually go inside. It is pretty phenomenal, the technology that's available today, that we can really bring history to life for our students. And so I just want to make sure that you as an educator know how to use all of these tools so that you can share them with your students. You can of course do this teacher-led, or you can send this to your students. So to get back to my Google Slides, I just pushed my home button and then I can open Google Slides, and that just takes me back to where I was.